So I'm here on the Deck Tech stand at IBC. I've got Kenneth here from Open Channel who's going to talk us about a few things that's been going on here at IBC.
Hi, we are make a trial in Copenhagen with DVB-T2 Lite next month. We will use DVB-T2 Lite to digital radio because we believe that DVB-T2 Lite will be much better than DAB because you can have about 4 megabit more instead of only 1 megabit with DAB+. So you can have 50 digital radio instead of only 16 or 6 DAB radio at the same DAB frequency.
Okay.
So and we use Deck Tech Demulator to analyze if what we're doing well. And we hope that next year there will be a DVB-T2 Lite receiver, so we also can listen to the digital radio. DVB-T2 Lite is also very good to mobile TV.
Right.
So, for example, Finland have just shut down yesterday for their DVH and will go in March on DVB-T2 Lite, so can broadcast HD and mobile TV at the same time, and you have a better use of the multiplex.
Sounds fascinating. If people want to find out more information about everything that you've been talking to me about, obviously this is being shown after IBC is finished, which closes tomorrow. Is there a website they can go to and contact information they can find something out?
There will be on the DVB organization's website in the latest e-news number 4. There's an article about our new upcoming trial, and that was before we get the license. We get the license the last week, so we have the license. So we will go on air on November.
Thank you very much. That's great. Certainly go and have a look online for more information about everything that's been talked about here. That's it from the Deck Tech site. Plenty more to come today.